Right, here we go. Are you happy?
Yes. We got what we want.
Yeah.
Dulu dapat.
Oh, ni
itu.
ada. Itu ada. Apa tadi?
Ini dulu.
Okay. You have knife?
No, I have key.
The usual. Yeah, rare item bro.
Nah, Harry scan. Aku tak boleh scan.
Dia scan mana yang kat kotak kau tahu kat ada kartu? Oh, kotak Bukan ada satu kad bukan
Tak ada.
Oh, tu
Bukan
lain.
random booster.
Tu random booster kalau ni dia dekat tu.
Kotak. Oh. So I suppose you want LF also? Yeah, look at
LF.
price.
Where LF?
Valkyrie.
Valkyrie box.
Yes.
Okay, di belakang.
Yes. I'm having a deja vu here. Yes, I'm having a deja vu. Kat mana?
400 kat situ.
Show nama kedai tu. Show nama kedai.
Jangan.
Yang sini 100 ke apa 100.
Don't let they ban YouTube bro. Join the tournament tomorrow. Apa kau buat esok?
Ha?
So any explanation from Mr. Harry?
Shit lah kalau dia nak ni. Ni
Oh,
Dah
tak sebab dia punya pendalah tu kat ni.
Oh. So the code is
Mana kod dia?
mana tu?
Itulah tu.
oh dalam tu Aku dah kata dalam kad tu kan. Dalam ni.
Okay. First, nak buka mana? Bawa event.
Okay,
Yang kita buka
Oh,
yang
iya.
paling tu weak dulu.
Paling tahi
The
dulu.
weakest one Silver Wool. Set Silver Wool.
Silver Wool
It become more stamina right? They try to
Yes,
make.
maybe tu.
Dia defend. Dia fully
Oh.
defend.
Tapi kalau dia cantik lah purple. Cuma purple and yellow not so nice. Not so nice.
Oh dah sabar. Level. Dan leader dapat
Oh yelah, lupa Harry tak ada lagi kan. Oh physical pay. That's why he try to show to Harry. Okay, understand now.
he show off. Tapi cantik weh.
Yes, indeed, beautiful bro. Don't mind saw Aziz, I was skeptical to touch.
70.
Nice
I was skeptical to touch his blade. Later I broke his blade then he angry.
Oh ada defect.
Pengen lah aku sampai
Yeah.
Kat I said tak lah. Toys R Us tengok apa? That guy dah beratur dah awal dah. Bukan dah beratur dah tengok.
Defect.
Oh no. Report.
Defect. So this video as a proof
Mana defect?
Unboxing. Mana tadi?
Oh no.
Crack.
Oh no. So what to do? Can report lah. Cannot do anything lah.
Ada apa-apa lah.
Just pasang je lah.
Ini yang penting.
Oh rush.
And here we go. It becoming the base.
It's becoming the
The base
cantik weh coating dia. Cuma kenapa dia kuning?
Itulah masalah tu.
yellow.
So this is the first bay of the 400 ringgit punya set.
Dia kalau kena scan. Yang kita orang beli dapat discount.
Yes.
That is the real price.
Second.
Ooh, the best. The, orang kata good lah. This one.
Overwhelm actually kuat
Dia
kalau
very
ikutkan.
kuat. Dia sangat kuat. Overwhelm. This one is
From
very
what I
good.
heard. Because that one America got first right. Iron Hash Browns, Hash Bro. If I'm not mistaken.
And tengoklah shape dia.
Yeah, the curvy one, the curve.
Dia
Yeah.
memang smash attack.
Memang dia smash ke up sebab
Smash.
dia ke atas.
Smash. Itu dia smash.
Yeah.
Dia tak serang ratchet, dia serang daripada atas.
Next one.
Ini
So ini adalah 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
880.
880. Yeah, Ultraman 80.
AZT. Tebal sangat ni. Ini kalau kena attack ni mati.
Yeah, this is a rare item. So we need to do very privately.
Dia punya ni susah buka lah.
Patutnya aku bawa pisau aku. Tak bawa pisau pula.
Aku tahu pisau. Sebab sekarang apa pisau tu tak bawa semata-mata.
Oh ya, why?
Nanti apa security apa datang tengok.
Oh.
Apalah, tunjuk kat dia. Cucuk dia.
Start ni mak.
Kita pok kata woi.
Ya tu.
Ini ball eh?
Ball.
Ball. And here we are. Homo Wyvern is here.
Oh, Wyvern.
Okey, mana tali spring kita test launch tadi.
Oh. Kau punya apa Valkyrie box.
Valkyrie box. You want my Valkyrie box?
Okay.
So,
So,
kita perlukan tali nak buat test launch.
tali
So, here we are.
Tu ada spring.
Yeah. Oh no, it opens. So here we go.
the Valkyrie
Got a
box.
spring launcher, a blue color
Okay.
here, and voila.
Ha.
Oh.
Kau tinggal Valkyrie.
Just kidding.
Kalau
here we
tinggal.
go. Just kidding. Here we go. I think he already got, so no point showing this.
So the Valkyrie box.
Yeah.
Thank you to Mr. Arif for getting it.
Okey.
Yes.
Right.
Special. Tadi tak ada kat sana Valkyrie.
Tak ada.
Tak ada,
Oh.
Valkyrie tak ada.
Memang V2 and itu ya.
Okay.
Oh.
Tapi
Ya.
ada short scale. Orang ambil short scale dulu.
Short scale. Short scale means box tu lah.
Box short scale ada.
Oh. Yalah, dah ada UX21. Apa pernah beli apa? UX15.
Mana B je?
Ya, ni
Ya.
dia last bay.
Okay, last B.
The last pay. Here we go.
The price, the main. Hell nada.
Hell Nether.
Gimmick dia, ni high mode.
High mode. Then you can push down and up. Yeah, and
Low
become low model. And
combine
with the
dengan
beat.
Z.
Zap thingy.
Apa dia punya tu kecil
Cantik
weh.
Cantik
Macam
oh.
rock golem.
Yes.
Kecil gila. Level-level rock golem. Lepas tu kalau kau nak tu naik ke atas macam mana?
So yeah.
Tolak.
See, he happy. He got lunch here.
Ini high mode. Okay.
Okay.
Low mode.
And voila, perfect though. I like that.
Habis kan?
Habiskan lalu. Dah. And that is the low mode.
Okay,
Easy.
kau last launch.
Kau nak launch kat mana?
Tu, tempat duduk kau.
What the fuck?
Okay, ready. Slow je.
Yes.
Jangan buat dengan attack beat.
Jangan main dengan tag beat. Aku punya ball.
Gonna ball, eh?
Yeah.
Right.
Ha.
Oh, just like that. Will it fall?
Tak. Satu lagi.
Yeah.
Rush back.
Yeah, the bro tried to attack.
So this is good my friend. This is good. Aku cakap. Aku cakap.
The bro really tried to mess up. And he finally got everything. Oh yeah, last but not least,
Oh yeah, what is
the book. Oh yeah, he want to launch that. Yeah, forgot to look at.
Ni
I don't know why there's a. I think Harry know why there's a gerak here and there.
Oh, yang
the
macam tu
purpose?
lah.
Memang ni spring.
Oh, it's a spring. Okay.
Memang gimmick dia.
So dia macam ni. Tu. Jadi dia ni tolak balik orang.
Oh, macam tu eh. Interesting theory. So you want to test.
Dia try tag beat.
So that is the fun shit. That be very fast, huh?
Yep.
Just speed very fast.
The-
That's
all
all.
the apa?
And now you want the book? Yeah, nah. I return the book. You have served your purpose. Yeah, Harry the one choose that book.
It's not mine. I don't even read it.
No, you the one choose. You want new one, huh? I give you the honor to unboxing here. See, I'm so kind to give you the honor. What the freak? My God. Oh.
Dia bawa ke?
Resume. Mana tahu nak apa? Apply kerja tu.
Resume kau, aku review.
No. I'm shy. Yeah, unboxing man.
Ni belah mana?
Nampak? Okay, belah tu. Jangan nampak bontot dia.
Mana ada tu. Okay.
Yes. It's time.
Sangkut.
3, 2. Oh no, the book. Yeah, he tried to see the one only thing.
Si.
Yes.
Kat sini yang paling tak ada banyak illustration.
Yes.
Illustration rare.
Indeed.
Okay, this video is sponsored by Len.
Lassi. GG.
Pula kita
Lassi.
ni bosa lah, tak bayar.
Someone been lassi.
Oh, ada lagi. Apa aku punya pending pula.
What you want? You want to show something? Oh, one more bay.
Bukan ambil pending dia punya barang.
Oh.
Bukan, V2 kau.
Mat punya.
Yeah, where's your V2?
Ni
It-
V2. Oh ya, V2.
Yeah, need to show V2. I thought it's not exist.
Ada exist tapi dekat Ion.
Ion Toy Story tak ada.
Tak ada.
Aku tak tahu.
Okay, jap.
Dah lah dekat tempat rumah kau. Maluri.
Oh,
Oh, kau pergi situ. Itu aku pelik.
dekat situ lah.
Lah, kau pergi situ ke?
Ya.
GG.
Aku dah cakap, aku akan pergi Maluri.
Ya, memang aku tahu gak. Aduh. Malu
Wait a
ni.
second. Okay, boleh pause video dulu sekejap. I'm looking the card untuk Mat punya card. Ni, Mat punya card. Dua.
Rajul. Bukan lagi.
Itu je. Dua Satu foil dan satu unfoil. Okay, now we come for the V2.
Yeah, V2 time. Show me the V2, bro.
This is basically the V2 one from Aeon.
The upgrade version from Beyond itself.
Upgrade the version. And as usual, take the key.
Boleh test rush.
He still want to do the test.
Boleh bandingkan. Flat and low flat.
What tu?
Oh, God oh.
Ya. Kau tak lunch.
Of course I don't need lunch. I know already.
Kau
Give
line
her.
kau duduk bawah ni tu. Itu cara kau line.
Yes, just stare. Okay, I know how this bed does.
What you know?
But I know nothing. No, okay, see, he having trouble, struggling.
Ya.
Aku bawa bed tapi tak ada tempat main.
Itulah, itu maksudnya.
Wait, your stadium.
Apa yang
Kau tak cakap.
Sama aku, apa aku nak cakap? Aku lagi kerja.
Kau ni kerja lah. Kerja tu hanyalah benda-benda ni.
Tak apa, esok cuti. Jangan esok
Ni
cuti.
kau nak scan ke tak?
Dah, aku dah ada tu lah. Dia tak boleh duplicate.
Oh,
Takut.
tak boleh eh?
Tak boleh duplicate.
Sedih ya?
Opening list tu payah. Kan? Okay, yang ni aku leave kepada dia lah.
Gigi, what happened to you? What happened to your strong hand?
I'm old already.
What old? Oh yeah, happy birthday this guy by the way. Already 28. Your present. Your present there just now.
Kau tak beli apa-apa
But too expensive. Too
So
expensive.
kau tak dapat ke pun Vito. Kita orang kena pergi cari sendiri.
Aduh. So there is actually exist V2. Still don't believe. No one talk about V2 at all.
Recycle.
Nani? Oh, why no one talk about V2 at all? I mean, ever at the base shop, everything. I mean, Toys R Us. Toys R Us mata ada?
Tak tahu lah.
Uish.
Macam sama je ke lain?
No.
Tak, dia macam
Dalam dia metal dia isi.
mental.
Oh.
Boleh.
Dulu ada lubang kat kawasan-kawasan tapi dia dah
Cuba.
perlukan dengan isi. Okey. Dengan
Bukan cuba. Feeling
Eh.
lah.
Oh, feel the thing. Oh, lain eh?
This. Sini dia fill up. Kalau tak sini lompong.
Oh. Oh, ada beza eh? Dia ada 3 kan, base kan? Drone Burst, Drone Strike, apa? Drone Brave.
Lepas tu ni. Dia buat cantikkan Vito sebab ni. Foil.
Oh.
Dia buat apa?
Foil.
Foil. Ah yes, foil indeed.
Sticker foil.
Foil eh?
And he said it's strong.
It's strong.
See? It's strong.
Okay, lunch.
Combine it and
Mana boleh launch?
here we go.
Boleh.
Kau nak launch mana?
Yeah.
Ada tu. Slow.
Yeah, let's see he launch. He is a ganas man.
Kau launch. Aku
Yeah.
boleh. Kalau aku launch lebih. Aku nak buat sampai lah. Mana sampai-sampai tak buat?
Dia ada.
Ada dulu eh? Okay. Aku sampai.
Ni apa ni? Siapa yang buat ni?
No
Vandalism.
idea.
Kita buat vandalism cara yang betul.
That's the cara betul eh?
Yes.
That's the right way ah.
Dia sakit kan lah. Oh, dah laju.
You want to launch
Slow.
again?
Slow je.
This guy really mau cari penyakit. Alright, I guess that's all. Everything done?
Okay, after this, our plan is to get food. So where you gonna eat?
I have no idea bro. We shall find out in this video.
Makanya, yelah in this video that's why we are discussing.
Okay, tengok beza.
Mana? Oh,
No flat.
Dia macam besar sikit.
Area dia
Flat.
sama lah.
Aku punya flat je.
Yelah tak, area dia sama.
Dia lain.
Tapi ni, sebab yang ni lubang.
Mm-mm.
Yang ni full. Macam low rush.
Hmm.
Tapi ketinggian dia macam tu je.